Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you. One more product unboxing related on Tesla car. Look at this here. This is my Tesla car and this is a driving seat and original seat look like this. So that point of view, I'm purchasing the new accessories from Tesla platform. Even I already added this link in video description. So you should click and purchase if you purchase seat cover. And as my personal recommendation, if you have Tesla car, so you should buy compulsory as a seat cover, otherwise your seat cover look like this after 1 year. This is not so expensive. I'm purchasing the seat cover around 129 major US dollar. Link is available on video description, as well as this is a platform. You should come this platform and purchase much more accessories related on all model of Tesla. I have in Tesla model 24 and previously also I purchased bunch of accessories from this platform. If you want purchase some of the accessories especially on Tesla car, no matter which place and which country you are living, they are providing entire world. If you purchase $59, so free shopping they are providing. And one more important point, compared to other Tesla product accessories selling platform, that one very affordable. Come to the point, open this box and now we can see which types of accessories I am receiving. Box is little bigger, so that's why I am open here. I will explain here unboxing as well as how I fix this seat cover on my car. So stay tuned entire video. If you watch the entire video, so you can very easily understand how to fix seat cover. My car is white, so I ordered white seat cover. Oh, now box is empty. I'm receiving clips. Here they are providing one of the QR code. Using this one you can very easily install this seat cover in your car. So this is an installation video is available. It's really amazing quality, look and feel. One of the important point here, the ventilation is also available. Even the small space also they are providing. It's really nice in the middle of the space. So this is the front one and this is a back one. So inside this one 3 seat covers is available. This is a sitting portion of back side. This is unboxing and several clips they are providing. Now we can go outside. Let's see how I fix entire seat cover in my Tesla car. So here is my Tesla. A lot of snow is here, but still we can fix seat cover in the car. It's easy. Most important point why I am purchasing the seat cover. Look at this here. My seat is little dirty and I'm not able to clean this portion. That's why I purchased the seat cover. Even the back side is not so much mess, but yeah, of course, if you secure your seat cover as original condition, so I can suggest here you should purchase seat cover. So now we can fix the seat cover here. Before fix the seat cover, you need to clean entire one. We can start fix the seat on driving seat first of all. So first of all I fix this one. It's very easy, like in a fix or wearing the t-shirt. So you can do your seat cover in back position, and after that I come back. It's a little tight. You need to put it your entire. Most important point, we receive these clips and you need to put it the clip proper like this, so you can fix this hook inside the seat. Seat cover is properly fixed. After a couple of days this one can easily fix. Now time to fix the back side. You should fix your seat cover like this here in this plastic. clip you can fix like this. So one of the important point come here. This is a seat belt. You should put it this one inside this way, and after that, so look at this, I use one clip to both. So look at this, final outcome of backside is perfectly fine, not a single clip are showing anyone. So same thing I apply there as well as front size also I fix properly. If here you are not able to do, you should use this clip to fix your seat properly here like this, finishing perfectly. And look at this here as well. So yeah, those both seats fixed properly. And now time to fix backside. First of all, you can take entire both front seat in far away from backside, so you can very easily enter the car. And one of the important points come here, I just enter like this and press both seat and up the position. Backside seat, first of all you should remove those power clip from here, and after that you can fix properly seat cover, and then after that you can fix very easily the seat cover from this one. And here is the butt rubber is this, so you can very easily fix this one from this grip, or this is the our seat. So first of all, make sure the seat and the seat belt comes proper from here to here as well. So make sure you can remove like this here as well, like this. After that becomes this. Now more challenging part come now, to fix the seat belt from this hole. And now very easily fix like this, like in a back belt. Make sure clip is not hide, because of this is a grip clip. This grip is not high, this clip is not hide because of this clip is going here and this here as well. Look at this here, backside seat I fix properly. One of the important points come here in the seat belt hook. You can make sure, first of all, see properly, be patient, because of this one is little complicated. And look at this here, you can very easily fix the seat cover comes. Now time to fix the last one. So now we can fix this, the rest of second last seat cover from here like this. This part going to here in the back side. So first of all, I just simply fix again, once again you can do like this. It's easy, be patient, and if you have patience, so it's very easy. So like this proper, and this portion going to here, because of the seat belt always be so. This is the portion properly. We have small cap as well, So we can fix. You can fix cap like this. Fix properly, make sure, and after that you can put it your cap here like this. So this one is also fixed. The seat belt, the seat is always going like this. So yeah, it's easy, not so easy. We can fix this one from the down space. Do little pressure, so the part going to the back forward, and we can tight in the back side as well. So first of all you need to do this portion to tight properly. That I will show you how exactly the fix. So here is the one hole is available, so you can make do like this, press. So this one is perfectly fine. Make the condition. Last part come, you can make properly pressure and put it. Now properly fine. This one is fixed. After a couple of seats you can very easily deal with this. Now I will fix this portion to the copy mug. And again, once again, this last portion you should put it here. You can apply this one also here. Fix properly. Come to this point, we can very easily, yeah, look at this. Now final is this one. Once again we can very easily fix this one also like this. So now let's see from this side. Most important point, this is seat belt, and the portion coming from here to here, you just simply do like this. Remove the zip like this. Removing is also okay, fine, but we can fix properly. Make sure this hole and the lock perfectly okay with it, and you can very easily, so most of time you should use this one to fix properly. You make sure this setting is final, so you can use it. Sure. That one is really nice, good quality. Final, this one I will fix here, and this is the final outcome to car seat to fix properly. Look at this, here the finishing. You have patience, so definitely you should purchase this one. Link is available on video description. And it's nice quality, amazing product. You can see backside as well. So look at this here, the backside finishing properly, and it's amazing and outstanding. Really nice. Hope you enjoy.